All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make tab groups in the new iOS 15 Safari. Let's go ahead and open it up. And so what we first got to do is go down to this little box here, click on it, and you'll notice I've got two things, or two tabs. So down here it says two tabs. I've got Google and I got my start page open. But what we want to do is we want to create a new tab. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to click on this two tabs. It's going to open up this page. And then it says new empty tab group. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on that and it's going to give us this box. And I'm just going to write social. And maybe I'll write media. Bam. Okay. Now I'm going to save that. All right. So now I'm going to go in here. Okay. And I've got social media. Let's look at it. Right now we got social media in there. Let's go like that. Now let's add Twitter. Bam. Twitter's in there now. Let's take a look at it. Let's go to social media. We got Twitter. Let's add Facebook. All right, it's in. Okay. Whatever. Anyway, so let's go here. So now, check it out. I got Facebook and I got Twitter. If I want to get rid of my start page, I can just go like that. Now I've got two of them in there, but it's still just called social media. So let's go down here. You see social media, or I could go to two tabs. And the two tabs are these, right? That's not social media. That's just, whatever I was looking at in Google. Now, if I go here and I want to go to my social media, I go like that. And there I am. I'm in social media with my two things. Now, if I don't like that, I could get rid of that, or I could get rid of that one. And now let's say I don't even like social media. I could come into social media, hit edit, then click here, and then I could delete it. Bam, and I'm just back to my regular two tabs. And that's how you can create tabs in tabs on your tab page in iOS 15. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff in your iPhone. Peace out.